Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making slow cooker mac and cheese, easy and quick. I've got my crock pot on low, and I've already cooked my elbow macaroni for 4 minutes with salted water, and then I drained it and cooled it off a little bit, and I poured it into my crock pot. And there it is. So now we're going to put 1 can of evaporated milk in the crock pot, and 2 cups, 1.5 to 2 cups of milk, regular milk, a stick of butter cut into cubes, 3 ounces of cream cheese cubed, and then I've got 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and paprika that we're going to sprinkle. I have 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, and I've mixed that together, and we're going to pour that over. And I've got a cup of cheddar cheese that I want to sprinkle over it. And there'll be another cup of cheese that I will sprinkle over at the end of the cooking time. I'm going to stir it all together. After it finished cooking for 1.5 hours, I had to cook mine about 30 minutes more. And we put the cup of cheese and we let it cook another 10 minutes, and it's ready. We're going to scoop it up. Don't that look wonderful? Let's see how it tastes. It tastes delicious. Cheesy, creamy. It's quick and easy when you have to feed a big family or a big crowd. And all you have to do is just dump it all in a crock pot and let it cook. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite recipe. Also, in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise, as well as any affiliate links that I may have. And if you like this recipe and found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you always for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.